idea here is that we're making a pretty basic starting point and just adding on from there. Alright guys, part dos. The Chicken Soup Chronicles. Yesterday's leftovers. Today's additions. Yesterday's pants. Today's shirt. Some things changed, not everything. Let's do this. Alright, for day 2 we are doing chicken tortilla soup. So the first step is going to be to make some crispy tortilla chips. So I'm going to start by julienning those and getting them tossed in some oil, throwing into a 400-degree oven, and getting crispy. Gonna add some Sazon Goya this time, not the adobo. Already added my soup to the pot. Salsa Verde, which is typically tomatillo, some onions, garlic, jalapenos. So we got that going in there as well. And then I'm going to drain, rinse, and add some black beans too. So yesterday's dinner may have taken a little extra time to just make the soup to begin with. Tonight's is going to go really fast. So that's one of the great things about doing something like this. I think we're just about ready for dinner. Very carefully, of course. And I think we need a little zest of lime too.
That was a good one, right?
What?
I like when it comes up.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one.
Mm-hmm. That's what she said.
Ooh.
Alright. Pull it.
Is it playing?
Yep.
Oh. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say first thoughts is this looks like a completely different soup.
Yeah.
Could the people get a shot of the...
No, can you do that with your phone?
With my phone?
Yeah, just take a still and send it to me.
Oh, yeah.
No, before we eat.
Okay. Oh, before any bite is taken?
Yeah. So we have some...
Some grammable evidence.
Mm-hmm. Hashtag chicken soup. Hashtag Insta, hashtag chef, hashtag chefs of quarantine, hashtag chef's wife,
Hashtag I'm hungry, hashtag I get all the eats, hashtag I love it, hashtag you're never going back to work.
Hashtag Chicken Soup Chronicles Part 2, or sorry, Part Dos. Chicken Soup Part Dos.
I love it. It smells delicious. It smells like lime.
Yeah, put that lime zest on the...
And anything with chips I don't like.
Before they get too soggy though. Yep.
So good.
I'm pretty sure that's just the adobo. The spice, not the adobo, the Sazon Goya.
So it has like essence of yesterday's soup, but it definitely is totally different. Like,
yep.
So great, like just great tortilla soup. Smell the lime. I don't have any critiques.
What's that?
I'm sorry, I don't have any critiques today.
You're sorry about that?
Yeah, you wanted some critical views yesterday.
I don't necessarily want critical views. I just want like honest reviews.
I like the avocado in it too.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I love avocados.
Did you tell them that how much we've used these tortillas? It's been like the zillionth time we've used the tortillas.
Yeah, she bought a pack of like 100.
Use them for tacos, tostadas, tortilla chips to dip in salsa.
Well, I made quesadillas for breakfast on Monday too, with like sausage and egg. I like this.
I gave it a 5 out of 5. Dopes.
Wait.
Hashtag it's dope.
You're cray. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the soup. I hope you guys enjoyed part dose of this Chicken Soup Chronicles.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. So I figured it out. You're always gonna be the subscribe side. I'm always gonna be the videos side, unless I switch it around, which I can do. But if I switch it around and I become the subscribe button, you become a playlist video. And now that we have the Soup Chronicles as a playlist, you can be part 1.
I like it. Excellent.
All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get the notifications as soon as they are the new videos are released. And we'll see you soon. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.
It is great, babe.
Yeah?
Great, yes.